it's Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today I thought we'd have a look at a little fill using some double kicks in triplets. This figure might be familiar from John Bonham, especially Good Times, Bad Times. But this is a little bit more straightforward, and it uses these double kicks in triplets and then running straight into an offbeat snare. So I'll play the whole thing. And then we'll run through a little bit more slowly and look at the tricky part in the middle of the bar. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out my other videos, hit subscribe, and let me know how you got on with that one in the comments.